The Australian government has introduced a new National Innovation Visa (NIV) under the subclass 858. This visa will be valid upfront for the 5 years, and it is also called a permanent residence visa that allows its bearer to work, study and stay in the country. Depending upon the expertise level, the visa is divided into two categories, Tier 1 and Tier 2 categories, according to the priority sectors, which I will let you know later in this video. This visa is replacing the previously implemented Global Talent Visa and the Business Innovation and Investment Visa. After getting this PR visa, the bearer can access healthcare, education and family sponsorship programs. Please remember, this visa is invite-only visa. This means the candidates submit an expression of interest and they must be invited to apply based on the merit and alignment with the priority sectors. The Australian government has designed this visa NIV program to facilitate the entry of exceptional talent, prioritizing globally recognized achievements and contributions to the innovation in the country. The new visa will help out the professionals across diverse fields, including entrepreneurs, researchers and creatives. Depending on the number of applicants, this visa can cost you up to 4,840 Australian dollars. You can be either in or outside Australia, but not in immigration clearance when you apply. Furthermore, you have an internationally recognized record of exceptional and outstanding achievement in one of the following areas, such as a profession, sport, the arts, or academia and research. You have a nominator with a national regulation in your area of talent who is one of the following: an Australian citizen, an Australian permanent resident, or an eligible New Zealand citizen, furthermore an Australian organization. The prioritized age criteria is 18 to 55. According to the NIV visa, the Australian government prioritizes the people who have the expertise from the Priority 1 and Priority 2 tiers provided by the website of the Immigration Home Office. First of all, Priority 1 is called the exceptional candidates from any sector who are global experts and recipients of international top of field level awards. The Priority 2 is for the candidates from any sector mentioned, nominated on the approved Form 1000 by an expert Australian, Commonwealth, state or territory government agency. Furthermore, the Priority 3 is for the candidates with exceptional and outstanding achievements in Tier 1 sector with critical technologies, health industries, and renewable and low-emission technologies. Furthermore, Priority 4 has the candidates with exceptional and outstanding achievements in a Tier 2 sector and agri-food and AG tech, defense capabilities and space, education, financial services and fintech, infrastructure and transport or resources. So it means you must fall under priority category 1 or priority category 2 in order to apply for this permanent residence visa. If you fall under any of these categories and you also fulfill other mandatory requirements for this visa, you can apply for it through the invitation-based only stream as you submit an EOI, and then you will be invited by the Australian government to submit the visa application inside of the 60 days.